Okay, I'm going to assemble my Greenworks GPW 1803 pressure washer. So first I'm taking out the high pressure hose, the gun holder, power cord holder, and the hardware. That's the gun. That's the hose holder. This is the upper panel, and it has 3 nozzles attached to it. Next is the spray wand, the handle, and the main unit, and 2 wheels. Okay, first we got to remove the gun holder, power cord holder, and all the hardware. Open up the hardware and pull out the 2 wheel axles. Two washers. And 2 cotter pins. Okay, on the bottom, you'll see 2 small tubes. You're going to put the axle through the center hole of the wheel. Put it through the tube at the bottom of the main unit. Put a washer on the axle, and then slide the cotter pin in the hole on the axle. Okay, here's the same thing on the other side with a closer view. Okay, next we're going to attach the upper panel to the handle. The upper panel has 4 tabs, and they go into the 4 holes on the front of the handle. Then take 4 screws from the bag, put them through on the other side, and tighten them down. Okay, next we're going to install the power cord holder. Drop the long screw through the outside and then through the smaller plastic piece. And then attach it to the back side of the handle. Now attach the gun holder with the remaining screw. Okay, next we're going to install the handle to the main unit, put it in place, and then push in the silver tabs, then push down on the handle until it snaps in place. Okay, this connector here is where you're going to connect your garden hose. And on the other side, take off the dust cap and attach your high pressure hose. Push it in and then tighten down. Okay, this is attaching the wand to the gun. Push it in and turn it. Now remove the dust cap. Push in the other end of the high pressure hose and tighten it down. Okay, to install a nozzle, pull down on the metal ring. This is the high pressure nozzle. Push it in until it snaps in place. Now we're going to put in the hose holder. Squeeze the back of it together and slide them into the holes near the top of the main panel, and then push it forwards. Now we can attach the spray arm to the gun holder. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.